Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Luverne side step brackets for the RAM ProMaster. This is the brackets only. Let's get into it. All right, we have our bracket kit here, ships like this in a box. This is specific for the RAM ProMaster. The way that Luverne sells their steps is usually you're gonna see a string of numbers, then a dash, then a string of numbers. And one of those numbers is for a bracket kit, and the second set of numbers is for the step. So you're gonna wanna buy a step in conjunction with these brackets if you haven't gotten the kit. Here we actually have some accessories that are included in the fleet kit. This is a reflective sticker that can be placed on the side of the step. We have one bracket here, I believe. I don't want to be wrong on this. I believe this attaches to the vehicle underneath, and then you get your step up right here. Let's see if there's any stamping on this to see if there's like a forward or a rear. Doesn't look like it. Got some nice dunnage in here. I love seeing that kind of stuff when you're shipping metal brackets around. Here we have a second bracket. You know, it looks quite a bit different, so there's no stamping required to differentiate those. Got a third bracket here. So this is for a 54-inch step, I believe. So you've got plenty of bracketry involved here. We got a nice hardware bag. Looks like we've got some hex bolts, some washers, lock nuts. Take back, yeah, lock nuts. And I thought I saw, yeah, some lock washers, and then some other various bracketry in there as well. And then we have here another bracket. We also have here in the box is our installation instructions. Again, this is going to be instructions on how to attach the brackets to the vehicle. Photos in here and everything that makes it nice and easy to figure out what you're doing when you're underneath the side of the van there. And then there's going to be, again, you're going to buy a step with these brackets. You're going to have separate instructions on how to attach the step to brackets. So we have our nice little bracket kit here for the side step on our RAM ProMaster. Everything you need in the box. Nice powder coated black, steel brackets, hardware kit, little reflective tape here, and installation instructions, everything you need to get going. Now, if you're looking for these brackets or the step or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.